What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Hubspot platform and its features. Hubspot is a great platform that you can use to grow your business by creating marketing campaigns, creating landing pages, managing ads and clients, and so much more. So let's get right to it. First of all, you'll need to go to their website, that's hubspot.com, and you'll land on their page right here. Here you can view a quick summary of some of the benefits of using HubSpot, such as creating forms, email marketing, ad management, landing pages, and increased sales like contact management, deal pipeline, quotes, meeting scheduling. Also services like ticketing, email scheduling, live chat bots, and so much more. So here you can create a website page, a blog, a drag and drop with a drag and drop editor, as well as search engine optimizations or SEO recommendations, as well as the operations hub with services like data sync, historical sync, default field mapping, and app marketplace integrations. And here you also have the commerce hub with you can manage your subscriptions, you can create invoices, you can view your quotes, you can create payment links, and so much more. So here, let's get started creating our account. So click on get started for free here. Okay, so here you can continue with Google, sign up with Microsoft, or with email address. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my email address and then get back to you. Okay, now once I entered my email, it asked me to copy here or paste here the verification code sent by email. So I'll just paste it, open my inbox, paste the code, and then click on next. Okay, and once I'm in, I'm asked to create a password. So I'll just create one, then click on next. Now I'll enter my first and last name, then click on next right here. And then I'll just have to answer some questions about my industry. So let's say I'm in the financial services industry, which best describes your role. I'm the owner, let's say. The company name, let's enter, like example, how to simple. Okay, click next. How many people working? Let's say just me. Okay, the company website, let's say howtosimple.com. Okay, next. How would you like your data to be hosted? Let's say I'm the US. Then create our account. Now they are getting your account ready. Okay, which of these sounds most like you? I haven't used a CRM before or a client relationship management software. So I am new to HubSpot, but I have used CRM before. So let's say I have never used a CRM before. And here I am on my account. So first they asked me to choose a template. Let's say pick let's say marketing. Okay, choose a marketing template. Let's say manage subscribers. Okay, it'll generate a template based on your the data that you entered. So here in the marketing and manage subscribers, they give you a newsletter subscribers list with context, life cycle stages, and so on. So let's say a template, or you can set it up manually if you do want to. So let's go and set it up manually. Here, for example, you're asked to add contacts. However, I'll just skip and use sample context instead, just to show you around the application or the platform. Now, I can add my teammates. However, I'll skip and do this later. And now here I'm on my account. So here is my dashboard, and it shows my progress to creating or finishing the task to finish creating my account. So here I can start setting up the basics, or I can track my deals here in one place, quickly connect with leads, and so on. So here is the main dashboard. So I have the marketing guide here, which with the tasks that I need to finish it to set it up, the sales guide, the customer service guide, and the web content guide. So these are the users guide that I need to go through to continue setting them up. And here I have my account on the top right here. I have my all my information, and I have my finishing progress. So I'm not only 9% finishing my account. So here I have account and billing, I have chatspot.ai, I have many options. So let's say account and billing, let's view it right now. Set up our account and billing information. So here I can view the products and add-ons, so free marketing tools, free sales tools, and so on. I can see all features or upgrade to get the features. And I here have the company info, transactions, documents, and I can delete my account. So here let's go to the main menu on the left. I have workspaces. This is the main workspace for me right here, the prospecting one. So if I click on it, here I have my main feed and I have summary, leads, schedule. However, if I click on like summary, for example, a pop-up comes out asking you to like subscribe to a plan, so I can view the pricing and I can start a 14 days free trial to subscribe a subscription plan. So let's view the pricing really quickly. Okay, so you have here some plans. So you have the plans for CRM suite starter. So you have plans starting from $20 a month, and here for the services. For the services, you have like three plans from $18 a month, $450, and $1,200 per month, depending, of course, on the features that you want to. And for each option, like for operations, here you can view the operations and so on. So here is like a sample of their pricing. Now let's go back to the workspaces right here. And here I'm on my feed. So first of all, I want to start seeing some real activity, start connecting my email right here. And I have some sample activities. So that's my main feed. And here I have CRM, I have my contacts, companies, deals, tickets, lists, inbox, calls, tasks, quotes, payment links, and payments. I have the marketing tools, so marketing email, ads, and forms. So let's check out marketing email, so where I can create marketing emails for my customers. So here, like a quick tour to creating my first email campaign. So here I'm new to email, or I can use MailChimp or another provider. I can skip it, and here I can click here to start creating my email campaign. And if I click here to create mail, to create an email marketing campaign, I have here choose the mail type, like a regular, automated, or a blog. So here the regular, to create a beautiful personalized email and send it to your customers. For automated, I can create a personalized email that's automatically sent to contacts through a workflow, and I can select here blog email to publish my content once and send updates to email subscribers. So you can like choose whichever is best for you right here. Here I have web content, so I have website pages, landing pages, where I can create landing pages, blogs, SEO, and design management. Automations, I have workflows, sequences, chat flows, and surveys. And here I have reporting and data. And finally, I have library, and then I have my settings for my account. So that was like a quick overview of how to create an account on HubSpot and the different features offered by this platform.